Follow the steps on how to make image colors better like this in Photoshop. Let's start by opening the image. First, add a solid color. Here I use dark green. Change to soft light. Click this thumbnail and press Ctrl-I to invert. Make sure the color position is like this. Activate the brush and set the brush like this. Start dabbing on the image, especially in the dark areas. Next, add a solid color with brown. Change it to color dodge. Click this thumbnail again and press Ctrl-I. Apply to the image using a brush. Add back the solid color with black. Change to overlay. Click this thumbnail and press Ctrl-I. Apply to the edge area. You can still reduce the brightness via opacity if needed. Double-click on this thumbnail to edit the color. Click this layer and add brightness or contrast. Select all these layers and group them. And here are the before and after results. Finished and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.